So this is the fourth or fifth set of lights from this company, and I'm gonna be honest with you, they are fantastic because the product is such high quality. So what I love about it is I love the build quality of these LED lights that you can put on just about anywhere of the car, and we have this set on the rear window of our truck above the window, so then that way you can see the lights. So again, the stickiness that the LED lights have on the back of it is absolutely incredible. Weather resistant, and what I mean by that, no matter the weather, these things just stay on. But then also the brightness and the different light patterns that they have, it is awesome. So if you're needing these emergency lights for your truck, you can put these on anywhere. I love that it comes with the accessories that you need, whether to stick or whether to mount, you have that. But again, the build quality is absolutely exactly what you want in an LED strip light for your car. And so again, you can mount these. We have these on the rear window. You can see the numerous light patterns that this offers. Plugs right into your cigarette outlet, so then that way with a switch of a button you can change that light pattern. So great company, great quality. Get these today.